Hello, welcome to my channel, Crafty Fox DIYs. This video is part of the Talented Creators playlist hosted by Aurea from DIY with Aurea, Loli from Loli D's Creations, and the guest host is Cynde from Z9 Designs. I will have links to their channels as well as a link to the playlist down in the description box. Okay, let's get into it. For this first DIY, I have these two blue plates. They're like a navy blue color. And I'm going to be making a tiered tray to put in our bathroom. I also have these plastic candlesticks that I will be gluing together that I'm going to put in between the two plates. My husband and I both need a place to put our jewelry whenever we take them off before we, get ready for bed in the evening. I'm going to be using that ribbon from Dollar Tree also. And this tiered tray is going to be perfect for that. So I'm gluing the two pieces together. Now I'm just showing this kind of rapidly here. You can see this is not centered at all. And I take it all apart. You can see here now I am removing the glue from the candlesticks. Okay, now this time I'm going to get it right and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it differently this time. Now I had the ribbon also, I put the ribbon on upside down, so I took that off and then I'm going to put it on the right way. I still get one of them upside down, but it's okay. I'm not going to worry about it. I will just wait till this all completely dries and then I'm going to pull that ribbon off because I didn't notice it until when I was filming the final reveal. But so I will fix that later because one of them does still end up. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is glue the candlesticks on individually so that way I can line it up easier. I'll be able to get the candlesticks right in the center of the plate. So I'm putting one on the upright side of the plate and the other I will be putting on the bottom side of the plate. So I'm just gluing this ribbon on. Like I said, one of these still ended up upside down, but like I said, it's okay for now. Now I'm using a combination of hot glue and Fix-All to adhere everything together. So now I'm able to see where the center is to put that candlestick on. And then I'm going to put the Fix-All and hot glue on this candlestick, and then I will turn the other one upside down and glue the two together. But this way I was able to get both of the candlesticks in the center of the plates so they would be lined up right. Trying to set the plate down on top of that, it just was not working for me, but this works. And then I get it nice and straight. So this is just, pretty simple, but it's going to work for us, and it's got the nautical theme that will look great in our bathroom. Okay, now for DIY number 2, I have this cute little basket here, and then I have this material. And then I'm also going to be using that nautical ribbon again. So I'm just going to set my basket down here, and I'm going to take my scissors and just cut out a square that will fit down into the bottom of the basket. Okay, so now I've got that cut out and I'm just going to stick it down inside the basket. I'm not going to use any glue or anything on it. I'm just going to put it inside the basket, just like that. Now I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm going to hot glue that all the way around the basket. And once I reach where the other end started, I'm going to go ahead and cross it over and then hot glue it into the center on this other side. Now I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm going to make just a little bow, just getting my size here. And then I'm going to use hot glue to secure the bow together. Now I'm going to cut off just a small piece of the ribbon and I'm going to put this in the center of the bow just to help kind of cinch it in a little bit and make it look more bow-like. I'm going to put some hot glue on there, secure that end, and then I will pinch the middle of the ribbon. And then I'm going to take the other end of the small piece, put some hot glue on, and then fold it over to keep that center pinched in. Just like that. And then where the end of the ribbon is, that's where I'm going to glue the bow, and that will help camouflage that part. Okay, and there that is. So simple, yet cute. That'd be great. Okay, now for DIY number 3. Now this is a project that I had done before, but I wanted to share it again. This video is not the greatest, but you'll get the picture. Okay, so this is a tray that I used whenever my kids were small, and I would take them drinks outside when they were outside playing in the summertime, swimming in the pool and everything. So this tray was something that was actually used a lot. But now that it's no longer needed for that, I decided to give it a little makeover and use it as like a vanity tray in the bathroom. So I'm just giving it just a coat of white paint here, and I'm not doing a full coverage coat. As you can see, I'm leaving it, you know, kind of barren spots, you know, a little thin on the thinner side, so that some of that dark stain would still shine through. As I wanted it to look kind of, you know, weathered, and I don't know, it just seems more nautical to me than being, you know, all nice and pristine. So I'm going to do the same thing. I flipped it upside down, and then I'm painting the bottom and the sides of the bottom part of the tray. I'm using my hair dryer to dry it faster. So that's how it looks all the way around. And then I have this material that I got from Dollar Tree, and I will be hot gluing it down inside of the tray. I'm just going to put a dab of hot glue at each of the 4 corners to secure the material into the tray. Okay, now once I have that done, then I'm going to take this rope that I got from Temu, and I'm going to glue that down all the way around where the edge of the material met the tray. I'm going to glue that all the way around. Put me a little finger protector on there because the hot glue does get hot. Then I'm also going to take some of the rope, and I'm going to hot glue that around the handle on the tray. And we'll do that on both sides. Just using hot glue to secure it. And once I get all the way to the end, I'm just going to put some hot glue on the rope and then pull it tight. Figured out that was the easiest way to do that. And then cut off the end, and then just hold it there for a second till it sets. And there the tray is complete. Okay, let's take one final look at all 3 of these projects. Okay, that's all for this video. Be sure to check the description box for the host channels as well as a link to the playlist so that you can get all kinds of nautical DIY inspiration. Let me know which one of these projects was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.